Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is free to subscribe and it supports the creator. We will leave you with a brand new video from Mr. Maxonian.
Mr. Maxonian.
Welcome back to a brand new video, and just in Festival Park, making my way to Pynest Street, and we're going to have a look at the Olympus engineering building. On this one we'll have another revisit to the Olympus engineering building, see what's left of it. But got an old car over there, so just waiting for it to go around the roundabout here. Don't know what sort it is. So it looks like an old Cortina perhaps. Not too sure. It was an old one. If you do know, let me know in the channel, in the comments. So we'll head on over to Pynest Street. So today will be the day which we'll find out the fate of what's happening to Stoke City, and we'll know if Port Vale are going to become champions of League 2. So yeah, I'm filming this on Thursday, the 1st of May. So yeah, I'll just head on down here past the old Odeon cinema, which is still open, but they've got that big fancy cinema at HANLEY as well now. Don't know whether two cinemas is going to carry on in HANLEY, not too sure whether it's feasible having two cinemas, I don't know. Just to mention today as well, it is absolutely boiling. It's about 24 degrees right now, I believe. It's like being in Spain, it's absolutely boiling. For April, it's fantastic. We've had some fantastic weather, and the big question is, when's it going to rain again? I think that's the biggest question to ask right now, which is not usual to ask that question. So before we get there, the reason why I'm going to Pynest Street today is because I want to have a look, see whether they've blocked the road off. They said they were going to block the road off for this new development that's planned to start soon. But yeah, that's the reason why I'm going over today, to see whether they shut the road off, because they don't want people fly tipping anymore. Yeah, we'll just have a look at the Atura Industrial Museum. So yeah, it was a while ago when I was last here. Bit of crap in there, it's a shame to see, isn't it? Not loads of geese here. As I say, it's a really nice day today. Loads of people out enjoying the nice weather. Yeah, so we'll carry on and walk down the Colden Canal. So got a little like boat here. It's more than it's not like a barge, that one. Called Dragonfly. But we're gonna walk this way towards Pynest Street, and I'll have a look at the Harry Ramjam's pub, which is there as well. that sort of area. See whether it's been blocked off. As I say, blocking it off because they don't want people to fly tip anymore. So that's the reason why. But I don't know if it's going to be a no access to the whole public. I don't know. I don't know if you can still use the pavements. We'll have a look anyway and see what's going on. If anything, might be exactly the same. I don't know. It's a bit quiet down here, surprisingly. Thought there'd be more people than this. Yeah, got some ducks over there. So this is the Calden Canal. This is classed as the Calden Canal. See, all this has been here a long, long time. And something here that says keep boat forward of sill marker. Let's have a look down there. Interesting. And this is known as the staircase lock. This is Bedford Street staircase lock where this is. So this is what it's known as, a staircase lock for the boats. So I never knew that. Didn't know what these were called. So learning things every day on this channel. So got these steps here. Yeah. Staircase locks. Never knew that. These are known as sills, these big wooden panels. But yeah, forever learning on here. We'll carry on. This is an interesting wall here. Looks like it's collapsing, but it's actually been built like that. Interesting. This is bridge number 2 here. That we've just gone under, and we're heading over to the Pynest Street and the old Harry Hamjam's pub. Well, it looks very much the same here up to now. Yeah, that's the notice of application. That's what they're planning to do here. Yeah, that's the old pub here. So yeah, there's no change actually. There's absolutely no change down here. So yeah, still there. So I think one or two of you will be glad to see this eyesore gone when it's gone. That's for sure. It's a bit of a mess, isn't it? I know one or two of you love this street for its anti-socialness, and some of you are amazed at what you see down here, but as I say, it's all set to change very soon. It's all going to be demolished. That's the plans.
New footage here every day at 10 a.m. here in England.
Please comment and like and subscribe.
We're down by the old Olympus engineering building is. Look at this guy, how he can pick this metal up one piece at a time with ease. Incredible. Look at that. But it takes some doing. Incredible. That's just a bit of cable, that one. It's like he's pulling on something else. Perhaps. Part of the building still left. We'll have a look at the demolition now. These guys are actually on the demolition side of things. So, let's watch the last bit being pulled down. There isn't much of it left now. Looks completely different now. Let's watch this bit here. There we go. How incredible is that to see? History gone, just like that. Got that back wall really left now, there's not much of it left at all. Didn't know how much would have been left coming here, obviously. Didn't think there'd be much left after today. Incredible scenes here. Go a bit closer. That's a view. Look at that. Amazing. I've come on the best day. At the best time as well. Usually I come, there's no action. We've got some today. Definitely got some today. And these lads have been brilliant with me, by the way. We've never had a problem when we're filming any of this. What's this guy doing? On this crane here. He's going up. See what he's doing. To get even closer to the action. Sorting it into different piles. There's a guy putting it into the piles for him to sort out. And hey mate, so I'm just doing a YouTube video. Alright mate, what's he doing on that crane? I think he's gone to find out for me. Just coming over to ask what I was doing. What on earth's going on here? I've got a bloke on the other side who actually works here, who's actually filming it. on the other side as well. It's all going on. I think the voice there just telling him what I'm doing, why I'm here. I think there's been a few where people asking what's he doing. Yeah, every time I've come here I've never had a problem. But there's so many people on this, I keep meeting different people. With this, and then it's like I say, there's a lot to see going on here. So I think it's sort of paused as I'm filming now. Can't do anything when I'm on the outside anyway. Oh, there we go. Gonna see some action, I think, now. What's happening now, I wonder? See what this guy's doing on this crane. That's what I want to know. Is he pulling something off which they want to save? I don't know. Let's see what he pulls on. Some wires up there now. I'm not too sure what this is about, to be honest. I was hoping the guy to tell me, but he's quite a bit away in front of me. Just getting on with work and prepare soon. It's fair enough. Oh, is that now videoing it. So this is the view now from this side, but I'm just walking around to that bloke, so this is the view of it from this side now, and there's a back part towards the left, and yeah, we'll just quickly go around. So I'll just give you a view from this side as well. You can see it's all level now down there. So just this piece left, as I say. Oh, that cage is gone. It's only taken 6 or 7 weeks, but it's now not there. But the crap's still there. But we'll just go down here, see if that bloke's still outside. Hopefully he is. I'm hoping anyway. Yes, he is. So yeah, we'll just go on down here, have a look at the rest of the demolition. So yeah, this is the only part now which is left of the building. So yeah, you can see unlodged bricks here. I think this will be down after today, perhaps. I think this will be the last day and all this will be gone. Can I just ask you, what was he doing before that?
He's cutting the steel.
Oh, cutting steel. I thought he was. Yeah. I think this will be down after today, won't it? This will be the last day, perhaps. I should imagine.
It'll be finished off tomorrow.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Have you found anything inside which is worth keeping? No.
Empty.
No.
It's been empty for years.
Oh, has it? Yeah. Yeah, it's been abandoned for some time, hasn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I've kept coming every week to see how much further along you got with it, because it was some building, wasn't it, when you first started? You've done a great job. I'm guessing you'll just flatten it, take all the rubbish, and that'll be it for just empty land then, won't it? Yeah. Cheers, buddy, anyway, thank you.
No problem, mate.
Thank you. Look at that stairwell there. All bricks on that stairwell there. And it's still holding the weight, which is incredible. But, yeah, look at that there. Incredible. So it's roughly about 2 o'clock now, so don't think much is going to get done. I did forget what time it was, to be fair. But I don't think they're going to do much more today, and they'll probably knock the rest of it down tomorrow. He said tomorrow will be the last day, he thinks. So we'll come up here, see what it's like next week. We'll do one more week of it, and then that'll be the end, I should imagine. But if you've liked the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, just to also let you know as well, I did speak to the bloke about how easy it was to pick that metal up, the training on it, and he said it's not that hard. He said it's quite easy. So yeah, that's interesting, isn't it? But nice chap. I did speak to him for a bit in the end, and he did tell me a few things that we're going to potentially demolish. So. Yeah, but the majority of the things he told me what they're going to demolish we already know about. So, but I'm going to leave it there. And if you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you again on the next one. It's a goodbye for me, and goodbye.